Welcome to our channel. Sending Bitcoin to another wallet is a fundamental skill every cryptocurrency user should master. Follow these steps to transfer safely. Step 1. Open your Bitcoin wallet application where your Bitcoin is currently stored. This could be a hardware wallet, software wallet, or exchange wallet. Step 2. Locate the send or transfer button within your wallet interface. This is typically found on the main dashboard or in the transactions section. Step 3. Obtain the recipient's Bitcoin address. This is a long string of letters and numbers that starts with 1, 3, or BC1. The recipient can share this address directly or through a QR code. Step 4. Enter or scan the recipient's Bitcoin address into the designated field. Verify the address carefully as Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, and sending to an incorrect address means permanent loss of funds. Step 5. Input the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Most wallets allow you to enter the amount in BTC or your local currency equivalent. Double-check the amount before proceeding. Step 6. Review the transaction fee, which varies based on network congestion. Higher fees result in faster confirmation times, while lower fees may delay your transaction. Step 7. Confirm the transaction and complete any required authentication, such as entering your password or PIN. Once confirmed, the transaction is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. Step 8. Track your transaction using the transaction ID provided by your wallet. You can view the status on any blockchain explorer to see when confirmations are complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.